our brain actually doesn't know the difference between reality and what you think. Nothing is good happening with me. I'm not getting my desired things. I'm always at the right place, right timing, and doing the right thing. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vaishnavi Singh you're watching right now, and here what do? I do my English speaking practice, and what you can have is you can have your English listening practice, and along with that we talk about life, self growth. If I feel that something is worthy of my reaction, only then I give the reaction. Otherwise, it's baseless. I would like to ignore it. And I have gotten that calmness with constantly working on myself. It has taken time. That's why I'm telling you that good things takes time. So everything happened because of my constant efforts and positivity. Efforts and positivity, the mantra, the biggest mantra of getting successful. For this, I chose a path of rewiring your brain. Ever since I got to know that our brain doesn't know the difference. Do you know that our brain actually doesn't know the difference between reality and what you think, what you tell constantly in your brain, what you talk? So if you will say constantly, I am bad, everything bad is happening with me, my life is getting worse and worse, nothing is good happening with me, I'm not getting my desired things, every day the same, your life will become negative that way. On the other hand, if you will say, I'm happy whatever is happening with me, I'm happy. Try to say this. Close your eyes. I'm happy. Whatever I have, I'm happy with that thing. Everything happens for a reason, a good reason. I have gotten that clarity now. Maybe something good has written behind this planning of God. If it's not your choice, then it's God's choice. And it will be fantastic and fabulous and more amazing than your choice. It will be amazing for you. But I am dreaming, I am actually living someone's dream life. It is. Someone's dream is buying a house. I already have a house. People would want to buy a mobile phone, which I have. A good camera, a good picture, good quality mobile phone I am talking about. So I'm saying that I'm happy, I'm satisfied, I'm in God's hands, God is with me, I'm evolving. With every passing day, I'm getting closer to my dream. Something good is going to happen with me. I have a beautiful life. I have a positive life. When you purposely start saying positive things to your brain, if you will say for 1 minute, you will see instant changes in the way you think. But if you keep on doing it for 21 days, it's rewired your brain. I'm telling you, it's rewired. So next is, whenever you think, whatever you think becomes your reality. If you think my life is too bad, I don't get results of my hard work, your life will be miserable. Or if you think that my life is beautiful, I have everything I needed, other things which I want are also on the way. I have come so far from where I started. I made progress. You'll instantly feel better. This is the way of seeing things, or changing your perspective makes difference in your life. It's all the game of perspective. Some people have tremendous amount of dreams. So when they get few things, when they do not get few things out of them, they get sad. They do not think about the things they have gotten. A lot of things they have gotten, they are not grateful for them. But what they are thinking is that I have not gotten that one thing. 99 things I've gotten, but that one thing, God, complaining. So you have to change the perspective and just give in. Leave everything on God. Just leave. Whatever He has decided for you, He'll give it to you, but you have to get done. You have to do your work. The karma, I'm saying. The karma. The work. If you are working also, that work is your worship. Treat it that way. Never leave your work. For anyone. Right now also I have to go to a wedding, but I thought first I have to get done. I have to do my worship. Next is, for that I started telling positive things to myself. Ever since it wasn't true. Delusional it was completely. But I kept on doing that. I kept on. And if you want amazing results, do it before sleeping. Because that's the time your brain is settling, making changes in your brain. It's still. When you are sleeping, it's still. So changes comes early. It changes early when you do it before sleeping. You can't put anything at a completely filled place. If this table is completely filled, can I put something here? No. So that's why your brain is also filled. It's overstimulated because of your phone. It's filled with negative thoughts. You kept on saying to yourself, no. You have, saved other people's comments, negative comments. This one said this thing to me, this one, and the grudges. You have filled everything here. Whatever you will give to it, it will give you back. So first of all, we have to empty our brain. That's necessary. Sit 15 minutes is necessary. Sit calmly, silently for 15 minutes. Put the timer in your phone and just sit like in this position. If you get random memories, get it. You don't have to force anything to your brain like I have to think this or think that. No. Just let it flow. Whatever is coming, let it flow. Let it go through all these things. After 15 minutes, you'll feel like there's nothing in my brain. It feels so lighter. So lighter. Then you have to start reading the affirmations, positive affirmations. Actually, I have made an affirmation video last time also. And I have made an ebook also about it, but I'm trying to get the knowledge how to sell it. It's not just for affirmations, it's for self-help book. For overthinkers who are dealing with so many problems. Like if I get the index, I'll put the index here. All the solutions are there, but I don't know how to sell it, so I'm figuring it out. Let's see if you see by the time you see this video, if I will be able to know and able to do that, I'll put the link in comment section. You can check it out. Now I don't compare myself to anyone. I'm unique. I'm different. God is always on my side, helping me, guiding me, protecting me. I'm always at the right place, right timing, and doing the right thing. I don't hurry now. I have plenty of time. I've gotten that confidence in me back. I've gotten on the right track again. I focus on the very and only step which is in front of me. I am completely in the moment. So these were the affirmations. I have written 30 of them. So if you can check that out. And thank you so much for giving your precious time.